Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive.
Yeah.
And we love getting into the nitty-gritty of Acumatica problem solving. And today we've got a good one.
Oh, yeah. This is a classic.
I think every Acumatica consultant out there has run into this at some point. We're talking about those dreaded delayed bill approvals.
Ugh. Yeah. Clients, they love the idea of having that approval routing in place, right? It gives them that control. But then what happens?
Well, those email notifications, right? They end up, buried in someone's inbox, or maybe they just went straight to spam and suddenly everything's just...
Yeah, everything just...
It's a screeching halt.
And you're the one who has to chase everybody down.
Yeah, nobody wants to be spending their day, hounding people to get those approvals done.
Talk about a time suck.
Absolutely. Not to mention, it's not exactly the most glamorous part of the job.
Oop. But you know what is glamorous? Finding a really slick solution using Acumatica's own tools, and that's where our deep dive hero of the day comes in.
Okay. I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
So we've got Swetha, a functional consultant over at Tiana Solutions. She's been working with ERP systems for forever, over 15 years.
Wow.
And she knows Acumatica inside and out, especially when it comes to those powerful tools like reports, generic inquiries, business events, you name it.
So she's like the Acumatica whisperer.
Pretty much.
Oh.
Yeah. So imagine you've got this client who's pulling their hair out because of these late payments.
Oh, yeah, I've been there.
Right. So Swetha, she comes up with this really elegant solution using just 3 Acumatica tools.
3 tools. Okay, lay it on me. What's the first one?
All right. So first, she builds a generic inquiry.
Okay.
But this isn't just any old generic inquiry. This one is super targeted.
Right.
It pulls up all those bills that are stuck in pending approval limbo.
Makes sense.
But here's the kicker. It also grabs the approver's contact info.
Oh, smart. So it's not just telling you what's stuck. It's telling you who you need to nudge.
Exactly. It's like having a personal assistant for bill approvals.
I like it. All right, so what's the next tool in this Acumatica arsenal?
Okay, so now she's got to design a notification template. Think of it as crafting the perfect reminder email.
Yeah.
But it's not just a generic, hey, approve this thing. It's a really clear, concise message with all the important bill details, the vendor, the amount, the payment date, the whole 9 yards.
Oh, nice. So the approver has everything they need right there in front of them. No more digging around for information?
Exactly. It's like a mini statement right in their inbox.
Okay, I'm seeing how this is shaping up, but how do we get this whole thing to run automatically?
Well, that's where the magic of business events comes in.
I was hoping you'd see that.
She sets up a business event to trigger those custom reminder emails on a schedule, let's say every Monday morning at 9 a.m. sharp.
So every Monday morning, those approvers are getting a gentle reminder, or maybe not so gentle,
Right.
about any bills that are waiting for their attention.
Exactly, and it all happens automatically.
It's like she's created her own automated approval workflow using Acumatica's built-in tools. Pretty impressive, right?
I know, right? Genius.
Okay, I'm definitely seeing the aha moment here. Can you break down how all 3 of these pieces work together?
Absolutely. So it all starts with that super targeted generic inquiry, remember?
Right, the one that finds the stuck bills and tells us who to contact.
So it scans the system, flags those pending bills, and grabs the approver's email address.
Okay.
Then the notification template steps in. It creates that well-crafted reminder email with all the crucial bill details.
Okay.
And finally, that scheduled business event kicks into gear and delivers those reminders every week without fail.
So it's like a well-oiled machine powered entirely by Acumatica.
Exactly.
It's so cool how you can achieve all of that without writing a single line of custom code.
Right. That's the beauty of it. It's all Acumatica all the way.
And you know what I find really interesting about this solution?
What's that?
It's not just about the technical fix.
Yeah. Right.
Swetha really understood the business pain that comes with those delayed approvals.
Oh, absolutely. It's not just about the software. It's about keeping those payments flowing, maintaining those good vendor relationships.
Yeah.
And ultimately saving everyone a whole lot of stress.
Exactly.
Yeah.
When you think about the bigger picture, this solution really shows how Acumatica is more than just accounting software.
It is.
It's a platform for building seriously efficient business processes.
It really is like Acumatica is giving you this amazing toolbox and saying, go ahead, build something awesome.
I love that analogy because
Yeah.
it's true. Sometimes we get so caught up in the day-to-day of using Acumatica that we forget how powerful and flexible it can be.
It's easy to lose sight of the big picture.
So for our listeners out there, other Acumatica consultants like us, this is a perfect example of thinking outside the box.
It is.
You don't always need custom development to solve complex problems.
Nope. Acumatica is full of these hidden gems, these features that are just waiting to be discovered and combined in creative ways.
This bill approval solution is really just the tip of the iceberg.
Oh.
It makes you wonder, what other manual processes are we dealing with that could be automated with a little bit of Acumatica magic?
Right. Think about all those pain points your clients are facing, all those repetitive tasks, all those bottlenecks.
Yeah.
Chances are Acumatica has a way to automate those, or at least makes them a whole lot smoother.
We've got this whole arsenal of efficiency tools at our fingertips.
We do.
And the best part is, Acumatica is designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding whiz to use these tools.
Exactly. Even non-technical users can start building simple automations and workflows.
It's all about understanding the tools and then getting a little creative.
That's it.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave our listeners with a challenge.
Okay, I like it.
What's one manual process you can automate in your next Acumatica implementation?
That's a great challenge. And remember, if you get stuck or need a little inspiration, there are resources out there.
Speaking of resources, folks, if you're looking for some serious Acumatica expertise, you know where to go.
Payables Solutions.
They've got a team of seasoned consultants, just like Swetha,
They do.
who can help you unlock Acumatica's full potential.
Absolutely. Whether you need help with custom reports, complex integrations, or, yes, even automating those pesky bill approvals,
Payables Solutions has got you covered.
they're all about finding those elegant, efficient solutions that make your clients' lives easier and your job more enjoyable.
And who doesn't want that?
Exactly.
So there you have it, folks. A real-world Acumatica problem. A clever solution using built-in tools and a challenge for you to take on in your own work. Don't underestimate the power of Acumatica, right? A little creativity can go a long way.
It really can. And hey, if you're looking for a team that really gets that whole creative problem-solving vibe, you gotta check out Payables Solutions.
They're the real deal.
They are. They've got this incredible team of consultants, just like Swetha, who can help you take Acumatica and really mold it to fit your client's needs perfectly.
Yeah, they're all about those custom solutions. All right, well, hey, thanks for taking this deep dive with us today.
Oh, it was my pleasure. Anytime I get to geek out about Acumatica, I'm a happy camper.
And to all our listeners out there, keep exploring Acumatica's potential.
Yeah, there's always something new to discover.
Absolutely. We'll be back with more deep dives to help you along the way. Until next time.
See you, Shep.